Hello friends, thanks for joining me. I want to personalize this toolbox that we made. So personalization on something that is wood, you can do it a couple different ways. What I am going to choose to do today is to use pyrography, which is wood burning. I have my wood burning tool plugged in, and I am going to create something here, maybe just a name, maybe a picture. I can do whatever. I have another video on how to do that and transfer a picture to your lumber, but today I'm just going to probably just write my name and just keep it pretty simple. So first thing we have to do is you have to use a pencil, and you need to make the drawing or the writing, whatever you're going to use the wood burning tool on. Don't just take the wood burning tool and start just going without something to follow. It can be kind of difficult sometimes when you have different grain. If you're trying to draw a line, it can get in that grain, and if you don't have something to follow, it's easy just to keep going with that grain, and then it turns out not looking as good as what you had hoped for. So I'm going to draw a picture, or like I said, probably just do my name, and then go ahead and take the wood burning tool and go over that to personalize this so that it's not confused with anybody else's, and it'll have my tools in it, and it'll absolutely be mine. Okay friends, so uses for this tool caddy, I'm planning on using it whenever I'm working on something that requires parts to be taken off or parts to be brought to it. If I'm changing the blade on a saw, I can put the nut and washers in here. If I'm working on the sawmill, I can put some set screws in here and my crescent wrench or whatnot. So that's the use I'm going to have for this little toolbox, this tool caddy. And my students, I'm sure they'll have all sorts of interesting ideas. Another thing you could do, if you're a painter, if you like to paint, you could put a small block. You could put a block inside here that has holes drilled in it, so you can put your brushes in there, pointing straight up. That's an idea. So it really is whatever you want to do with it. So we're gonna do the name. Let's see. That looks good enough for me. Be real careful when you use this, folks. This is very hot, so you don't want to slip and touch your skin. Sometimes I'll have students wear a leather glove with the hand that they're not using. So they'll wear a leather glove here. I'm not doing that today. Now the circles are a little bit harder. You just gotta go slow. All right, friends, so there we go. You can see that I made a couple little mistakes, but turned out pretty decent so far. So that is the wood burning. That is how to personalize it. You could do something here, you could do something there, you could do something there. You could get real creative and just go to town, but that's what I would recommend doing to personalize your toolbox. Thanks for watching.